This is the Icatu S 4.0 Intelli. The use of the drop sensor in this machine is optional, but the decision whether to use it or not must be made before turning on the pump. Once we turn it on, it makes the initial checkup, and we can check on the screen that the drop sensor is absent. To install the disposable, it is important to remember that we must fill the drip chamber to a maximum of 1/4 or up to the demarcation line in models that have this line. We must keep the roller clamp closed. The pump has a drip sensor that must be placed in the drip chamber above the demarcation line. It is important to emphasize that the open part of the sensor must not be positioned towards sunlight. A dedicated section of silicone with orange and white plastic parts to fit into the equipment. When we open the door, the pump's anti-free flow clamp opens up and we can insert the disposal. Insert the orange plastic connector. The silicone part goes inside the upstream pressure sensor. Insert the white connector and at last place the tube into the pressure and air sensor at the right side of the machine. To close the door, hold the blue part, raise and press it.